With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start this question. Now in this question we are given electrolytes when dissolved in water dissociate into ions because. Now we have to tell the reason why electrolytes when they are dissolved in water dissociate into ions. Now what are electrolytes? Electrolytes are basically the compound having the ionic bond. Now suppose in electrolytes the one atom of the ionic bond is electropositive, and the other is electronegative, and the bond formation takes place between these two and the bond is known as ionic bond, and the forces in between is known as the electrostatic forces of attraction. Electrostatic forces of attraction. So this is how the formation of electrolytes takes place. Now if we know that one is the electropositive and other is the electronegative, then it means there must be polarity in ionic bond, polarity. And if we discuss the structure of water, the structure of water is also like this, and electronegativity of oxygen is greater, so the dipole moment will be, net dipole moment will be in this direction. This means that water is also polar in nature. Polar. Now we know that likes dissolve like, or we can say polar dissolves polar. This is a statement which refers to two polar statements. Two polar compounds can dissolve in each other. Now we are given that these both are polar. Now what will happen when electrolytes is brought in contact with water or is brought in water? The bonds break, ionic bonds break, and due to this breakage of bonds, ions are formed. Now how these bonds are breaked? When we dissolved any polar material in polar solvent, that is water, there is a release of energy. What energy? Hydration energy. This is the energy which is released when we dissolved 1 mole of any substance in water. Now how this energy is released? When, for example, dissociation takes place of compound AB. Here A is the electropositive and B is the electronegativity. Now if the dissociation takes place, after the dissociation the hydration energy is released. A is the positive part, so it will be surrounded by water like this from all the sides, and this brings stability and energy is released. The energy released is known as the hydration energy. In the case of B negative, it will be HOH, because here is the positive part and oxygen is the negative part. They will attract each other, and here negative part will attract the positive part, that is H part. So it will be H, this will be like, and so on. So this will be the hydration, and hydration energy is released. Now this hydration energy will break the ionic bonds. Hydration energy break the electrostatic forces of attraction, break ionic bonds, and overcome the electrostatic forces, so the dissociation takes place of the electrolytes. So this is the reason. Now if we check the options, the first is they are unstable. This is incorrect. The water dissolves in it. This is also incorrect. Force of repulsion increases. This is opposite to that, because the force of attraction is decreased. Now Fourth option is the force of electrostatic attraction is broken by water. This is correct because the force is broken by the hydration enthalpy. Thank you so much.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.